We are catching some big giant rainbows again, guys. We've got a nice one on right now. I don't know how I'm going to do this with one hand. There he is. Pretty nice fish. I think I'm going to have to do this again with my teeth and my hands. So let's give it a try. Put my rod down. Grab my line. We'll just kind of try to hand line him in. Here he comes. There he is. Great big old rainbow. Look at that fish, you guys. Up here fishing a wild river, catching some wild rainbows. These fish are just beautiful. Look how big he is. See if we can get him up on the bank. Check this fish out, you guys. Whoops. That is a big old bow. Anyways, sending big smiles to all you guys. From all us guys. Oh, man, he spit the hook right while I was trying to play newscaster. Look how big that bad boy is. I'm still lifting him up. Holy smokes. Look at the size of that fish, you guys. That is a wild rainbow. Probably about 23 inches long or so. What a beautiful fish. Holy cow. I can't hold the camera far enough away to really get a picture of him, you guys. Anyways, big smiles from me to you guys. Have an awesome day, you guys. See you later.